Presentation tools, empowering your storytelling. Why presentation tools matter today? Impactful communication. 70% of presentation fail due to the poor design or unclear messaging. The right tools transform idea into the compelling visual story. Driving decisions. From classroom to boardroom. Well crafted presentation shape decisions, secure funding, and inspire action across all sectors. Enhance engagement. Modern tools help a captive audience, making complex information accessible and memorable through dynamic visual and interactive elements. Traditional tools. The PowerPoint legacy. Launched in 1987, Microsoft PowerPoint remained the most widely used presentation tools globally. Its enduring popularity still form its robust feature and widespread accessibility. Over 500 million PowerPoint users worldwide, Microsoft 2025. Familiar interface and rich features, extensive template library, reliable offline use. Rise of AI-powered presentation maker. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing presentation creation, enabling users to generate polished slides in minutes from simple prompt. AI drive efficiency. Tools like Microsoft PowerPoint Copilot, Beautiful AI, Slide GPT, and Gamma Apps leverage AI to automate design, time savings. These platforms significantly reduce creation time, saving hours of manual effort. Consistent branding. AI ensure brand consistency and suggests optimal content and design elements. Microsoft PowerPoint Copilot. AI inside the classic. Automate draft. Generate initial presentation based on your instruction. Design suggestion, recommended layout, relevant image and text enhancement, brand alignment. Maintain brand consistency using your company colors and font. Interactive refinement. Allow for multiple design options and easy adjustment. Copilot integrates seamlessly into the familiar PowerPoint environment, empowering users with AI capabilities without leaving their prepared tools. Beautiful AI design made effortless. Smart slide, automatically handled layout, spacing and alignment ensure every slide look professional. Save time. Cuts design time by up to 75%, allowing user to focus on content rather than reduce formatting. Professional desk. Idea for busy professionals who need polished presentation fast, even without graphic design skills. Slide GPT and Gamma Apps. Instant AI slide creation. Slide GPT. Convert text, PDF, articles into ready to edit slide. Streamlining. Content migration. Gamma Apps offer all-in-one AI powered presentation and responsive website with no coding required. Both platforms facilitate easy export to PowerPoint, Google Slide, and PDF formulas. Pre-planned are often available for quickly experimentation and learning. How to choose the right presentation tools, audience, and purpose. Consider who you representing to and what you want to achieve. Please dictate the level of formally and interactivity needed. Speed and AI assistant for rapid creation and design optimization. Apps for OPT for AI power maker unlike a beautiful AI or Gamma, control offline use. Control and offline use. In full creative control and offline functionality are critical. Traditional tools like a PowerPoint of Google Slide are better choice. Hybrid approach. Combine GPT to content generation with AI design tools for stunning visual. Leverage the best of both worlds. Pro tips for creating impactful presentation. Clear narrative. Always start with a compelling story and a consistent message. Visual impact. Use charts, infographics, and high quality image to simply complex data. Minimalist design. Keep slide uncluttered with one idea per slides and minimal text. Practice make perfect. Rehearse your delivery to enhance your presentation rather than just reading from the slide. The future presentation, AI plus human creativity. Well, AI accelerate creation and realize design. It's the human inside the emotion that truly drive connection and impact. Embrace AI. Utilize AI tools to streamline and technical aspect, feeling your focus on your core message. Focus on your storytelling. Leverage your narrative and engage your audience with authentic human connection. Apply creativity. Leverage AI as a creative partner to transform your idea into stunning and memorable presentation. Your next great presentation is just a few clicks away. Ready to transform your idea into stunning slide. Let's go start. Thank you.